For many dog owners, all it takes to melt their hearts is an eyebrow raise. You know the look, the irresistible puppy eyes. This simple facial movement has evolved over thousands of years and cements the human-dog connection. Humans started to domesticate dogs 30,000 years ago with wolves that had shown a friendliness, or at least a tolerance, towards them. In time, this friendliness grew into an unshakable bond. A major part of this bond is dogs' unique ability to read and interpret our actions. Dogs can follow communicative cues from us, such as pointing out an object. They pay attention and respond to humans when we look in certain directions or touch certain things. Researchers found that when dogs and humans establish eye contact, oxytocin levels increased in both the dog and the human. We are also able to read and react to dogs' facial expressions, especially when our dog makes a wide-eyed, infant-like expression, hence the puppy dog face. A more technical term for this expression is the AU-101 inner eyebrow raise. The action unit, or AU-101 movement, makes a dog's eyes appear larger. It's referred to as a pediomorphic trait, which is a juvenile feature that is retained by adults. Scientists have found that humans prefer dogs that make puppy dog eyes, and that this expression has similarities to human facial expressions of sadness, which is possibly what prompts our nurturing response when we see it. It is so significant that researchers found dogs who did this behavior spent less time in shelters waiting to be adopted. However, this movement took thousands of years to develop. Back in the day, we took in friendly wolves, bred the ones with desirable traits, and began the process of domestication, which has affected both their behavior and anatomy. Indeed, there are differences in anatomy between wolves and dogs, especially when it comes to the muscles around those puppy eyes. Dogs have a specific muscle, we'll call it LAOM for short, that is located above the eye, right about here. This muscle helps to raise the inner corner of the eye and explains why dogs can give puppy eyes but wolves can't. Another important muscle around the eye is the RAOL. This one is located about here. The RAOL pulls the eyelid towards the ears. This muscle is not present in wolves. Interestingly, like wolves, the Siberian Husky also doesn't have the RAOL. Something else at play here is selection. When we think of selection in terms of evolution, we typically think of sexual selection, where a female, for example, selects a mate based on certain qualities that lead to overall success. But when it comes to dog evolution, researchers found that human selection was responsible for the intensity of those famous puppy dog eyes. Dogs that had the muscles important for this expression were the ones that humans chose to breed. Despite the science behind it, a dog's ability to read us and to use this secret weapon effectively is still impressive. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to keep seeing more. Thanks for watching!